All right, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Handmade and Beyond YouTube channel, where I help Etsy sellers with their businesses with different tips, tactics, and strategies. If you guys need more additional resources, make sure to check out handmadeandbeyond.com. So let's dive into today's topic, and that is how to run a sale on Etsy. So this is something that you want to do from time to time to help drive business, create urgency. And when you run a sale on Etsy, it's nice because it shows your regular price, and then it'll actually show a slash through that, and then the discounted price as well. So it really is eye-catching to people scrolling through listings that they want to possibly buy. So you want to go to your shop manager first, and then once you're there, you want to go to the marketing tab on your left, and then it'll pop up a drop-down window, and then you want to go to sales and coupons. And then what you want to do at the top right is going to say new special offer. And this will bring up the possible offers that you can create. You can run a sale. You can send offers to interested buyers, which is people who favorite or add items to cart. Or you can create a coupon that maybe you want to put on a business card or send it to a customer, whatever you want to do with that. So you hit run a sale, and then it'll have the percentage off that you want to do. Or you can just do a free shipping across the board, and that'll be your sale as well. So I usually do percentage off, and then you can choose your discount anywhere from 10 to 70%. I wouldn't imagine you're going to do 70%, but hey, maybe you will. So let's just do 10% off. And then where is it valid? You can do everywhere, or you can do a specific country if you just want to do like United States, because depending on shipping and stuff like that, you may want to not do it for everywhere. Minimum order to qualify. This is if you want, maybe you can do a buy two get one free sale, or buy three get 10% off sale. Whatever you want to do there, you can have a quantity or an order total if you want to up your sales game. But I usually keep it very, very simple with just a standard percentage off no matter what. Your duration, you can do a sale for up to 30 days at a time. So depending on where you're at in the month, you can do it for 30 days more. So we'll just do it for the end of this month, so pretty much a week. Terms and conditions, this is maybe if you were doing a sale based on quantity or order total, you want to put those terms in there so it's a little bit clearer. Otherwise, just leave it blank. And then put your sales code, name your sales. So I just keep it simple. So let's just do April 10 because we're doing 10% off and it's April. And then continue. And here's where it lets you include your listings. So it'll give you a drop down. You can include all of your listings, or you can include specific listings, just like one-offs, or you include specific categories. I usually do all the listings at once, but some people, maybe they just want to do one specific category. If you do individual listings, it gets a little bit more cumbersome because you have to filter. You can search by name and then filter through them. So that's a little bit harder to do. So let's just do all of them. So in order to do all of them, you got to click each category and it'll add it. So if you have 10 categories, you would click on each individual category to add all 10, and then that's your entire shop. So just make sure you're getting, if you're doing your entire shop, make sure you're getting all of the categories. And then once you have them added, if there's a couple that you don't want to have in there, you can go through and click the X and delete them out. Otherwise, you're good to go. All of them are added. You're ready to go. You just do a review and confirm. It'll give you an overview of how many listings, what percentage off, and then you do confirm and create discount. And boom, your sale is live. You did it. So then if you want to look at it, you can go click on your shop at the bottom left of your screen, and it'll give you basically a demo version, well, not a sample version of what other people are seeing. And you'll see your items are on sale with the sale percentage, and then the new amount where it has a slash through it. And you can see what the new price is, and that's what buyers see, and that'll create urgency and hopefully people coming and buying more items from your shop. So hopefully that helped you guys. Like I said before, if you need more help, you need coaching, you need guidance, go to handmadeandbeyond.com. There is a free trial on there to get inside the Handmade and Beyond community with lots of great resources a Help Forum live monthly coaching and an Etsy success roadmap. But other than that, I'll be back with you guys with some more tips, strategies to help you guys start, build, and grow your Etsy business.